Qode's Knowledge Center provides a turnkey solution to your data needs by allowing you to process your health program data to actionable information that drives decision-making. Knowledge Center is built on the Microsoft technology stack, including embedded Power BI and Azure cloud services. A centralized cloud deployment means that clients and funders alike have instant access to program performance reports, which are used to drive programs more efficiently and to develop insights of the overall program performance. Dashboards and reports can be designed specifically for individual program reporting requirement needs, as Knowledge Center is highly customizable. Reports are interactive and are currently used to consolidate real-time data that allows users to overlay program, human resources, disease outbreak, and average testing time data. The consolidated data can then be run through an infectious disease testing algorithm to provide programs with insights to respond to the program needs. Knowledge Center replaces having to dig through mass amounts of information that is saved in various locations. Users can make data-driven business decisions quickly and confidently while saving valuable time. Dashboards can easily be filtered to scan through graphs and charts that highlight new opportunities and even areas that are not performing. This solution has been developed specifically to remove the data silos in the health program environments and allows monitoring and evaluation specialists to focus on program outcomes that drive patient care instead of manual data capture and reporting. You can also download and share your reports or provide login credentials to users who should have access directly to your dashboards. We would be happy to assist should you wish to see your own health program data in Knowledge Center.